LGBTQ
What do you
flag.
not understand about not giving a comment?
But this is obviously a hot topic issue. There's 200 people here on a holiday weekend wanting to know why this place is closed. Why did you move forward with closing this place?
Have a good day.
First at 10 tonight, a West Michigan school board has voted to shut down a health center inside a school. Thank you so much for joining us. I'm Josh Berry.
And I'm Jamie Sherrod. Some families claim it's because a majority of the board didn't like the center's mural, which featured LGBTQ imagery. Our Matt Witkos is in the newsroom with the breakdown on this decision.
Josh, Jamie, one board member voted against the shutdown. Many in the community say this place has done so much to provide care. One mom says this small office inside Grant Middle School is the reason why her son is still alive today.
A neurosurgeon came back after doing the surgery. She said that we're glad that we didn't wait any longer because it was life-threatening at that point.
Michaela Willett and her son Miles have a lot to be thankful. She says the workers here at the Child Adolescent Health Center inside Grant Middle School saved her son's life.
We talked to 2 different doctors, and both of them just suggested that we do pain management for my son.
Miles, an elementary student in Grant, was diagnosed with Chiari malformation type 1, where he wasn't getting the right fluids sent to his brain. His mom describes his son having severe pressure headaches. She adds the employees at the family health care are the reason why he was able to get the help he needed.
This office saved his life, and without them being here, I don't know what would have happened.
Sir, if you continue, I will ask you to leave as well.
You ain't gonna listen to us anyways.
Amen. Thank you for your...
Many Grant families are worrying other children's lives are now at risk. Grant School Board voted 4-1 in a special meeting Friday to ratify the board's decision from June 19th to close the health center. This comes following many questioning if the public was properly given enough time.
The district's legal counsel has opined that the public notice on the June 19, 2023 meeting substantially complies with the Open Meetings Act.
Tell me a little bit about why did you guys move forward with closing the health center?
We're not giving a comment.
The board's vice president, Ken Thorne, wouldn't say why he voted to close it. Around 200 families and faculty accuse them of the shutdown because of the mural inside the center, a piece of art made by a student that features LGBTQ imagery.
Because church isn't the state, but we can work together, and I'm just asking you to reconsider and to find it in your hearts. What would Jesus think? Would he have compassion on these people? Because I do. Would he? Have some compassion.
Family Healthcare CEO Julie Tacko says months ago they did have a discussion with the school board about the mural.
However, we worked with them and some modifications were made, and that's the last discussion that we've had with them about it.
Rob Skidema was the only board member to vote to keep the health center open.
When you have free access to health care minutes away from down the hallway, how can you possibly take that away? It doesn't make sense to me. And I was blindsided, and I won't stand for that.
Family Healthcare says a state grant of $275,000 paid for staffing and supplies. Skydema says it cost the district $5,000 to keep the lights on.
And we're supposed to be adding more resources to our kids and our, their education experience. And then you take away one of the most essential needs of in a healthcare or in a public school system. It's terrible.
Family Healthcare adds a plan to continue providing care until their close date sometime in September. They add that they will continue to work with the school district in hopes of keeping it open longer. In the newsroom, I'm Matt Witkos, Fox 17 News.